Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short step-by-step tutorial, we're going to show you how you can find and join servers on Discord, be it with an invitation or without an invitation code. We're going to show you both ways. So with that in mind, drop a like, and now let us dive into this. So start or launch the Discord application on your laptop or PC, log into your account, and to join a server, guys, simply click on that plus icon here on your home screen. So guys, one way would be to simply create your own server. However, I assume that's not what you like to do now. So instead of creating your own server, simply click on that join a server button below. And as previously mentioned, guys, there are basically two different ways how you can join Discord servers. The first way would be to simply join a server through an invitational link. For example, guys, if one of your friends or contacts gave you that invitational link, simply enter it here and confirm by clicking on join server here, and you will be instantaneously get accepted to the given server, provided of course you accept the given server's guidelines, policies and TOS if they have any. So that's the first option, guys. However, guys, if you don't have any invitational link, simply click on don't have invite below and browse through the global community of accessible Discord servers here. Like for instance, guys, you can go, or you may go by category. For instance, join a gaming server, entertainment, science, tech, education, and so on and so forth. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to join a gaming server here in Discord. So browse through the list of globally available servers here. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to join the official Fortnite server. Click on it, and the following is super simple, guys. All you need to do is click on that join official server button at the top to join the given server. In some cases, you may get asked by the given server's admins to, for example, go through a short profile setup or verification process in which they will ask you to accept the given server's guidelines and policies. So if you're interested to join the server, read through these policies and accept them if needed. So guys, that's actually all to it. As you can see, I already joined the Fortnite server. It's super simple, as you can see. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll see you next time on our channel.